Welcome to Finance Dojo. We aim to be the best personal finance educational channel you'll ever need. Click that subscribe button and the notification bell right now so you won't miss out. In this video, we talk about the 3 best online jobs for teens. We're only going to discuss real jobs, where you can be paid for performing actual work. I have a great opportunity for both introverts and extroverts. Some of the jobs will require you to have face-to-face conversations with other people who will record your voice, while others will require you to work behind a computer screen, where you may work for as long as you like without anybody interrupting you. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Be compensated for having conversations. One of the only requirements for this job is the ability to communicate in English, which, if I'm imagining correctly, if you're watching this video, you can understand as well as speak English and carry on a conversation with that. And by simply speaking English and having a computer and an online internet connection, you can earn between $10 and $20 per hour. The name of this online service is Cambly, and it is essentially an English tutoring online site. Don't worry, you don't need a teaching license or any form of the degree to qualify. As I previously stated, the only need is that you understand English. You're undoubtedly curious about Cambly and what you do for it. Essentially, you're training to be an English tutor, and I'm not talking about grammar issues or anything. For example, if I were outside of the United States and living in a non-English speaking nation, I would join up for Cambly to practice my English with someone. Cambly will connect me with someone fluent in English, and we will just talk on the internet through a webcam, allowing me to practice my English with you. It's a really interesting job because you get to meet people from all over the world with different cultures, languages, and personalities, and it's really exciting. After that, you get to learn some cool factual information about someone else's culture, tradition, and where they live, which is especially important right now because you're in a quarantine, and it's really important if you miss traveling, if you miss meeting new people. What makes it so fascinating is that there will always be an opportunity for you to teach someone. Because when it's an evening for you, it's morning for someone else. And when it's morning for you, it's nightfall for someone else. Because it effectively transports gifts throughout the world. Anyone on the earth can use it at any moment. It's a pretty dependable payout source. You'll get paid every Monday using PayPal, so there's no need to be concerned about it being shady or a fraud. Number 2. Be compensated for providing exclusive reviews. Let's assume you're not comfortable having a chat with strangers over the internet. That's perfectly okay. TrymyUI is my next recommendation, which may earn you $10 for each review session you complete. What exactly is a review session, and what is a UI? UI stands for User Interface, and you're evaluating web developers or app developers' website and applications based on how usable they are for the user's experience. So you get access to this extremely special pre-launch website or program, and you play around with it. While you're playing around with it, you'll be recording your voice, taking notes, and experimenting with it in real time. You'll be expressing your dissatisfactions, as well as what you like and didn't like about the app or website, as well as what you should keep, and you'll get paid to do so. So if you've ever left a Yelp review saying, "This restaurant tastes bad, the service is terrible, and I wish they'd stop putting so much ice on my Coke," you can apply your Yelp and Google review skills to a website or an application and still be paid cash. In terms of compensation, as previously stated, you will be paid around $10 for every review session, which will last approximately 20 minutes. In theory, if you schedule 3 review sessions back to back, you might earn $60 each hour. In terms of payment, you'll get paid every Friday by PayPal, which, like Cambly, is a fairly dependable payment method. If the first 2 jobs didn't appeal to you because you didn't want to have a face-to-face conversation with a random stranger or have a live reaction recorded via voice, and you just want to be doing something behind a screen and not interacting with someone, my next recommendation is perfect for you. Number 3. Earn money by listening and typing. GoTranscript is the name of my next suggestion. GoTranscript is a simple concept that allows you to make $1,215 each month. Assume I employ you as a person who is watching this video and is attempting to transcribe what I'm saying. If I gave you my just this video audio clip, you would try to type down what I'm saying sentence by phrase, word by word. You are not required to communicate with other people. It is entirely up to you to take advantage of any career opportunities that arise. Rev is the name of my second suggestion. Rev is a type of online job marketplace that concentrates on translation, transcription, and other similar services. But the captioning service is the creme de la creme, or the cherry on top, or whatever your cultural words or language is. The captioning service allows you to earn $1,500 per month. And essentially what you do as a captioner is if you've ever watched a Netflix or YouTube video and turned on those subtitles. See that screen down below? It's voicing that is essentially the job of a captioneer. You're trying to transcribe their message and voice out what they're saying, while also being able to match it. So Rev and GoTranscript are fantastic options for folks who don't want to socialize with others or who prefer to be more focused on a computer and be able to work as many hours as they like. As always, this video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. You should always do your own research and speak to a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.